How can I help you?
Sir, I am the new assistant loco pilot. I am joining duty today.
Oh, you are Karthik Kumar? Welcome to Indian Railways. Here is your appointment letter.
Thanks, sir.
Shouldn't you be reporting for first day training? Who is your reporting officer?
Sir, I think it's someone called Satidar.
Oh well. Good luck out there.
Number 12655 Passenger Express is scheduled to depart from.
Are you Karthik?
Yes, sir.
You are late.
Sir, I went to collect my appointment.
I do not want any excuses.
Sorry, sir. It won't happen again.
Now get in quickly. We do not have holiday.
5 Passenger Express is arriving at platform number.
I do not know what they taught you at the Loco Pilot Academy, but here, you do things my way.
655
Push the throttle gently. Good. Now keep going and reach a speed of 40. Some more. Nicely done. Now gently slow down and reach a speed of 30. Clean one. Do you think you can handle more speed? Okay then. Quickly speed up to 60. Some more. Not bad at all, Karthik. I will take it from here. This is just the beginning, Mr. Kumar. There's a lot you need to do. I have something for you.
What is it, sir?
Here is your email.
Thank you, sir.
And here is your walkie-talkie. Keep this safe and with you at all times.
Thank you, sir.
I will teach you how to use it properly. Do not be late at it.
5 Passenger Express.
फिर क्या डैडी क्या अम्मा
दिल फिल्मी तो सुनो फिल्मी ऑन स्पॉटिफाई क्योंकि यहाँ है लाखों फिल्मी सॉन्ग्स तो स्पॉटिफाई सुनते जा डाउनलोड फॉर फ्री।
Oh look, it's Karthik Dhandapani.
Hey Rajiv, I don't why you keep calling me that when you know my name is Karthik Kumar.
You are Karthik Kumar to others. To me, you will always be a Dhandapani. Anyway, what are you doing here? I didn't expect to see you.
I have joined work here.
I didn't know they were hiring a gangman. I would have personally recommended your name if I knew.
Haha, very funny. You know you both study to become loco pilot.
What? You? A loco pilot? Ha ha ha. This is too funny. I thought you would never graduate from the academy.
You haven't changed at all, have you?
See you around. Loco pilot.
I see that you arrived on time.
Yes, sir.
What was that man telling you?
You Rajiv, sir, nothing, we studied together. He was my senior at the academy, sir.
I trained him too. Hope you are better than him. I hope you remember what you learned yesterday. Always blow horn before leaving. Good. Now depart from station and attain the speed of 40. Good. Now keep going and reach Arakkonam.
What was that, sir? Sir, did I do something wrong?
No, that wasn't you. Somebody pulled the alarm chain. Take out your walkie-talkie and do as I say.
Attention loco pilot. This is the guard.
Looks like someone has pulled the chain. Check immediately.
Who pulled the chain?
Two guys pulled the chain. They ran away.
What was their seat number?
They were traveling with us to that set.
Okay, I will inform the loco pilot. Thanks. The chain was pulled in S4 coach. I have reset the ACP. Ready to leave now. Can you submit report to the RM?
I will.
You handled that very well. I am working on speed testing a new top secret loco. The trials are scheduled tomorrow.
That sounds really fascinating, sir.
It is. I want you to take part in it and assist me. I hear the minister will be coming for inauguration.
This is very exciting, sir.
So be here at 8 am sharp tomorrow. You will meet Miss Kavitha. She is also on the team.